Oh, looky, what have we got ourselves into? We'll never know. What it do, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E. Y'all see that thumbnail? So let's get to work. So y'all remember from the last video when I said the car got dropped off? Now I'm about to get into it and see what's the extent of the damage. Because this is I don't even know how they hit it. Did they get hit from the side or did they get hit from the front? I don't know. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or did that come from the head. I don't know. I know it's got a lot of bent metal in here and I got to get up under it. Got to get this fender off, front bumper off, core support. I think we'll leave the hood on for now so it'll be out of the elements. Don't want no water in here. But I still got to find the hood. Got to find the front bumper. I sourced a lot of parts already for this car. Probably a fog light. See how much a fog light costs on Amazon. See how much a front bumper costs. See how much a hood costs if I can't find one. So let me do what I do best. So from looking at it after getting some of the parts off, I got a lot of metal to unbend, to pull out, to get everything back lined up to where it's supposed to be. Before I can do all that, got to get all the old parts off first, people. I told them this took a very different hit. Looking at the hood, looking at all the damage, but I think we can fix it. We still can fix it. Still got to get this busted headlight out of here and see the extent of the damage. Because I might end up just going back to pick and pull next weekend and drilling out some mounts. I'll show you all those mounts right now. So you got this one. Drill the spot welds out of that one. Drill the spot welds out of this one. or try to bend them back to where they're supposed to be at. And try to get all this put out as good as I can, because I don't have a shop, I don't have a frame machine, and they really did a doozy on this, but the Cadillac was just about the same. But a little different. I think this got pushed back a little bit worse than I thought. So yeah, I'm about to pull that out off camera. Get the other core support up there and see how far I gotta pull it without having a frame machine. They really whacked the mess out of this one. Oh. But who they gonna call? Me. Can you fix this? Yeah, we can fix it. We can make it look a lot better than what it looked like. I tell you that. So let me continue on what I was doing. Still gotta get this, busted that reservoir off and get this core support off. But I gotta take the other headlight off. That sucks. That sucks. And hopefully I got the right core support. Probably not, because this has a turbo in it. Oh, smack. You'll figure something out. Okay, this is a lot to do. A lot to do. So for your crash bar, you need a 13 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. On each one of these, you got 3 13 millimeters and 2 10 millimeters. 3 on top and 2 bolts on the bottom. So you got a 10 on top, a 10 on bottom, a 13 on the bottom, and 2 13s on top. And luckily for me, this core support is a 2-piece core support. So that was good for Hyundai, because I grabbed a core support that wasn't for a turbo. Forgot this was a turbo. I didn't think they had any turbos up there. But luckily the top half bolts. And you can bolt in a new top half, middle part, whatever you want to call it. But the rest of it is a 1-piece. Oh, that you got to get off. I am bagging up all my bolts because it is a lot of nuts and bolts you got to take off. Oh, I forgot one. Oh, I'm going to be reusing what I can reuse. Obviously, because this is not to my car. But now, if you want to undo that one yet, gotta get all these wiring harnesses off of this one. Gotta take some pictures too. Gotta take pictures. Whatever I do, whatever I do with my phone. Are we in recording or are we in time lapse? We're still recording. But ain't nothing but to do it. Get her on done. Get her on out the way. You got to remove the wiring harness. Like I said, off everything. I could just pinch the wires, pinch the plug in the back, make it a lot easier. Where they connect, you can just pinch them. I can't get to that one because of the radiator. Unplug this one. Air temperature sensor. I'm gonna grab my other tool, make it a little easier. Yeah, probably can hear me breathing all hard. I'm dehydrated. I don't know, I'm always breathing hard in my videos, but when my mic is on me. Because this one goes up under there. See, when you don't got the turbo, they don't got these vents. Holding me up. Ooh. I'm always preaching. Take the car apart first, then go get the parts. But sometimes I get lucky. Like I said, I got the core support for non-turbo, but like I said, the center of it, the center is replaceable, and that's really the main part that is needed. Well, I don't need the main part. I get what I'm saying. The middle part is interchangeable. That's why I just took the middle part off and put it in the garage. Because that's the piece I'm going to be using. Oh. On this here core support. About to bend it out a little bit because over here, you can tell it got bent up. Some more screws at the bottom. That my other one didn't have. Oh, yisters. Because I removed them already. Okay. Okay, let me get to work. Don't want to keep y'all up all day. Let's get some work. Okay, got everything apart. Now it's just time to clean up. Gonna need to go get me another coolant reservoir. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go get this bracket, that bracket, probably this bracket too. And start moving these wires out the way and knocking this metal back straight like it's supposed to be, just like on this side. Get that lip knocked out, get it bent back as good as I can and in the right spot. It ain't gonna be perfect. They just wanted the car to look presentable, even though they bent a lot of stuff over here. I think this is worse than the Cadillac. Cadillac was like in, this is in. But at least this is kind of straight. But you see, it came apart from the seam sealer. So I'm going to knock that back in that way. This got pushed in. So I think they took a kind of hit from this angle, because it bent all this too. I don't know. I just know they want me to fix it. And I don't got a shop or a frame machine, so I do the best I can with what I got. And think about making that core. I forgot about, well, I didn't know this. Well, we'll figure out something with the core support, because the top is interchangeable, but the bottom not. And I've got 4 holes. My other one had 2 that I noticed, or I didn't pay no attention. Probably got 4. But I ain't paying no attention. I gotta go take a look. But like I said, everything is back. Everything is apart. I got new hood hinges. I'm gonna have to get this cowl protector off. You get to one of the hinge bolts back there when we get that far. Like I said, I still need a hood and a front bumper and a fog light. So with all that, so if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumb up. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you would. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers on social media if you would. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. My mouth is dry. I'm dehydrated. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations to cars locally. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces.